I'm Abdul Moiz, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Apple Lightning cable stronger and prevent it from breaking. This is a little trick that I do with all my lightning cables to prevent them from breaking. I've also made a little video that will show you how to repair your broken lightning cable. The link of that video will be in this video's description. So for this tutorial you will need a lightning cable, an old ballpoint, and a medical tape or any other tape. The procedure is really simple. All you have to do is to take out the spring from ballpoint and wrap it around the top of lightning cable. Stretching the spring a bit will make it easier for you to wrap it around the lightning cable. Once the spring is wrapped around the cable, you have to cover it with the help of medical tape. If you have any extra piece of spring hanging around the wire, you can cut it with the help of pliers. So once you have completely wrapped the tape around the wire, you will be having a better and stronger lightning cable. If you like the video, please leave it a thumbs up. This really helps me out, and be sure to check out the other videos on my channel. And if you guys want to see the behind the scenes of this video, you can follow me on Instagram. So that's pretty much it. Thanks a lot for watching.